ELI Language Games. Play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on culture and Klille. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: Dominoes, Bingos, Card Games, Board Games. Culture Card Game, English Paperchase, A2 level. This game can be played in class, led by the teacher, or at home with a game leader. English Paperchase broadens the student's lexical knowledge and promotes logical thought, while presenting characteristic elements and features of the English-speaking world, such as food, places, people, monuments, etc. The box contains a pack of 66 image cards, a pack of 66 clue cards with a series of 5 clues of decreasing difficulty and value, an instruction booklet. The image cards are spread out on a table, well visible to all the players. The deck of clue cards is put on one side of the table. The game leader takes a clue card and reads the first clue. If nobody guesses the answers, the leader reads the second clue, and so on until the card is identified. The leader awards the players points according to the clue triggering the solution. The winner is the player or team with the highest number of points when all the cards have been played. The teacher's booklet with very easy instructions is included in the box and downloadable for free from our website too. It contains a list and a description of all the items shown on the cards and suggestions for alternative activities which can be adapted according to the level of the group. Let's become real experts of the English-speaking world with English Paperchase. ELI Language Games. The more you play, the more you learn.